everyone, it's Brian. Welcome back to Trade Talk Tuesday. All right, we're going to continue our Trading for Beginners series today. And this is a question that I get all the time. All right, so I want to just address this for every single beginner right off the bat. So if anyone asks you this, you know how to answer it. All right, and here you go. The question is, isn't day trading just the same as gambling? Okay, I get it all the time. And clearly the answer is no, all right? And the reason why the answer is no is because there's one huge difference between gambling and trading. And that difference is the ability to close your trade whenever you want, at any time, all right? In gambling, you don't have that option. It's all or nothing. In trading, you do have that option, and that's the huge difference. So let's walk through an example, okay? Say you're a sports bettor, and you bet on the Chicago Bears, right? In the first quarter, let's say that the Bears happen to go up 14-zip, all right? It's a pick, so it's like there's no spread, so it's just win or loss, right? Bears are up 14-0 in the first quarter, right? You're looking good on your bet, but you still have 3 quarters to play. So you don't have the ability to like call your bookie and be like, yo, hey, we're up 14-0 in the first quarter. I want to cash out on my bet. Can't do that. You got to wait till the result goes final. And then if the Bears are still leading when it's fourth quarter with zeros on the clock, then you win that bet. So even if they started out strong, you look good and you've probably figured out, okay, I'm looking good on this bet, but you can't cash that out, right? Same thing with like blackjack, right? All right, so even if you're showing 20 in blackjack, that doesn't mean you're looking good, but it doesn't mean you're guaranteed to win that particular hand. And as you know, the second you sit down in a casino, your odds are against you right off the bat. Well, in trading, the odds are more stacked in your favor. All right, you could sell at 10%, 20%, 30%. You don't have to wait for an all or nothing 100% winner to take your profits when you're trading. You could sell whenever you want. And that alone is the number one reason why trading and gambling are completely different. Now, if you use some of the trading strategies that I use, when you sit down at a casino, you know already the odds are stacked against you. Well, some of the trading strategies that I'm using, you know ahead of time that you have a 70 to 80% success rate in that trade. So following those trades, it gives you something that no casino does, which are odds in your favor. How do you get those type of trades? Well, I share them every single day in my Trade of the Day service. It's totally free. You could sign up here. I'll send you my top trades, and then you could start getting my best picks every single day, and you could see how these move and how you could start selling ahead of time, and then maybe you'll understand what I'm saying. Trading and gambling are completely different. All right, so sign up for Trade of the Day below, and then as always, you could start your journey by stop hating and start trading. I'm Brian. I'll see you next week. Cue my exit music.